What I like best about working at Rittal is the human factor, dealing with customers and having the ability to influence their buying decisions and ultimately their profitability and efficiency throughout their jobs and their careers. Our customers like working with Rittal because we offer more than just products. We offer a value chain that helps them optimize their processes and become more efficient doing what they do best. And if we can influence their business in a positive way, then ultimately that drives their success and that drives our success with them. The end-to-end value proposition with Rittal and ePlan for customers allows them to take a project from the very infancy stage and develop that and put it into a process that allows greater efficiency and to maximize their design and their flexibility within that project.